Welcome back to our course on creating an investment portfolio. In our last module, we talked about the importance of a balanced investment portfolio. Today, we'll dive deeper into the importance of understanding investment profiles. Let's get started. There are three types of investment profiles: conservative, moderate, and aggressive. Conservative investors prioritize capital preservation and typically invest in lower-risk assets such as bonds and cash equivalents. Moderate investors seek a balance between risk and return and often invest in a mix of stocks and bonds. Aggressive investors prioritize capital appreciation and are willing to take on higher levels of risk in pursuit of potentially higher returns. It's important to understand these profiles because they can help guide investment decisions based on an individual's risk tolerance and financial goals. One way to determine your investment profile is by using a questionnaire that assesses your risk tolerance and investment goals. The questionnaire may ask about your investment time horizon, financial objectives, and willingness to take on risk. Other ways to determine your investment profile include consulting with a financial advisor or analyzing your own financial goals and risk tolerance. In terms of the questionnaire you provided, it can be a useful tool in determining your investment profile. However, it's important to remember that it's just one method and may not be the best fit for everyone. Conservative investors tend to prioritize investments with low risk and stable returns. Common investment strategies for conservative investors include investing in bonds, cash equivalents, and other fixed income securities. They may also focus on investments with lower volatility and dividend-paying stocks. Moderate investors seek a balance between risk and reward. They may invest in a mix of stocks and bonds, as well as other investments that offer both growth potential and stability. Common investment strategies for moderate investors may also include diversification across different asset classes, such as real estate or commodities. Aggressive investors are willing to take on more risk in exchange for potentially higher returns. Common investment strategies for aggressive investors may include investing heavily in stocks and other growth-oriented investments, such as technology or emerging markets. They may also consider alternative investments, such as hedge funds or private equity. To create a diversified investment portfolio, you should consider investing in a mix of assets that align with your investment profile and risk tolerance. For example, if you have a conservative investment profile, you may want to consider a portfolio that includes a mix of fixed income securities, such as bonds and cash equivalents, along with dividend-paying stocks. If you have a moderate investment profile, you may want to consider a portfolio that includes a mix of stocks and bonds, as well as other investments such as real estate or commodities. And if you have an aggressive investment profile, you may want to consider a portfolio that includes a higher allocation to stocks and growth-oriented investments, with a smaller allocation to fixed income securities. Common mistakes include failing to diversify their portfolio, making investment decisions based on short-term market trends, and taking on too much or too little risk. Other common mistakes include not regularly reviewing and rebalancing their portfolios and not considering their investment profiles when making investment decisions. Investment profiles and financial goals can change over time, so it's important to regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio to reflect these changes. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio to maintain your desired allocation of asset classes or adjusting your risk tolerance as your financial situation changes. It may also involve selecting different investments that align with your new investment profile and financial goals. Thanks for joining us for this module on investment profiles. We hope you found it helpful in building your own investment portfolio. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.